Hey, Lighthouse for Life family, we are back in the kitchen at the harbor and we are incredibly excited. You can see behind me that our kitchen cabinets are almost in and completed, and we should be done by the end of the day today or tomorrow, and we can't wait to show you that when we do another video. In addition to what we've got going on behind me, SharpView has installed our security system. It's completely up and running. Irmo Lock donated an incredible piece of equipment today for security, and the lights are on outside and inside, as you know. So much has been going on, and we have a few more steps to run in this marathon before this brick building is open. So we'll keep you updated. Thanks again for your prayers. Thank you for your support. We thank the Lord for all He's doing, and we look forward to sharing it with you soon.